Covariance is a statistical measure that shows how two different assets move in relation to each other over time. In finance, it helps us understand if two investments tend to rise and fall together or move in opposite directions. A covariance of 0 means there is no predictable pattern between two assets, which is a key concept for building a portfolio. Positive covariance suggests assets climb or drop together, while negative covariance can act as a natural hedge for your holdings. While covariance shows direction, correlation standardizes the scale, making it much easier to compare different assets side by side. This chart illustrates how assets with different movement patterns can balance out the total volatility of your combined investment strategy. Remember that understanding how your assets relate to each other is a fundamental step in managing risk over the long term. Keep learning about how statistics influence the markets. If this helped, subscribe for more finance basics.